Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock someone out of your TikTok account. So first you need to tap your profile on the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines on the top right corner and just click settings and privacy. Here you're gonna choose security and permissions and you're gonna see this manage devices. You're gonna click that. And here basically you will be able to see all the devices which are currently logged into your TikTok. So for example, I have a Chrome and an iPad here, and I don't want to be logged in a Chrome. And if for example I don't want to be logged into the Chrome with my TikTok, I'm just gonna tap this delete icon next to the Chrome and just click remove. And here I've just removed this device which had me logged in Google Chrome. Alright, so all in all, this is how to log someone out of your TikTok account. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.